Actually got 3 of these left, but these 2 I am bringing to see my friend tomorrow, and we can have 1 each. It says used by tomorrow, so that'll be fine. I'll keep it in the fridge, but this one I'm gonna have now. Honestly, these are so filled. Look how big they are. They're so nice. The mango in them. Stop. I think it's like whipped cream, and someone else told me fluff. I don't know, but it's good. I got them from here. And some people are like, how can you eat a whole one? Absolutely easy. Honestly. What is this, rice paper? That's not nice. I've seen the inside of my mouth. Look at that. Oh my god. Have you eaten today? If you haven't, have some. It's so much better than nothing. Even if it's a pancake roll. There's not loads of mango in there, but when you get it, it's nice. I have, sorry, I have tasted the Oreo ones, but this is far better. Someone said about the strawberry. I've not seen the strawberry ones. Definitely want to taste them though. Let's try the middle bit. I don't know, I couldn't say. Definitely cream. That's mango. They are definitely a nice sweet treat.